Hi, my name is Kimberly Keys, and I live outside of Washington, D.C. I've long been interested in technology. In fact, I've been so interested in technology that I've had people come to me with questions about everything, ranging from what is the best word processing program to asking for my help with connecting computers and with other equipment. Before COVID arrived, I used to teach elderly people how to use their smartphones, like this one. I'd like to get back to it, but I'll have to figure out how to do it via Zoom instead of in person. If I win this challenge, I will use the money to advertise in the local papers, since many older people still read them. I would also advertise on social media so their children and grandchildren will see it and let their elderly relative know that someone is there who's willing to teach them. That's it for my pitch, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.